which one of the following is not a function? So first one, x comma y, where x and y are real numbers, x square is equal to y, and second option, x comma y belongs to R, where y square is equal to x, and third function with x is equal to y cube, and fourth function with y is equal to x cube. Let us solve this problem with the help of a graph. So for the first graph, x square is equal to y, it will be like this. So this is y is equal to x square graph, first one. And coming to the second one, y square is equal to x. So this graph will be, this is how the graph will be, y square is equal to x. And third graph, x is equal to y cube, x is equal to y cube, the graph will be, this is how the graph will be. And fourth option, y is equal to x cube graph, this is y is equal to x cube. Okay, these are the four different graphs, and we know that by graphical test. So if I draw any vertical line, and if it cuts the graph more than one point, then it is not a function. And for every value of x, it should have image. Means here in the first graph we can see that for every real value of x, the graph exists, means it is defined. So the first condition satisfied. And if I can draw any vertical lines, it's a line parallel to y-axis, it cuts at most at one point only, which means that it is satisfying the vertical line test. So we can say that this function, the first one, is a function. And coming to the second one, if I can draw one vertical line here, so here we can observe that it cuts at 2 points, which means that for one value of x here, there are two images, so which is not satisfied by the condition of function. And also we can see that for negative real numbers in the domain, there is no images, so we can say this is not a function, second one. And coming to the third one, and here we can see that if I can draw any line parallel to y-axis, or vertical lines, if I draw, it cuts at only one point, and hence we can say, and every real value of x, it's a defined, so we can say that this is a function. Third one is a function. And coming to the fourth one also, if I draw any line parallel to y-axis anywhere, so it cuts at only one point, and hence we can say this is also function. And also for every value of x, it is defined. And so finally we can conclude that second option is not a function.